Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe below. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a rubber band box braid, and for this tutorial we're going to be needing rubber bands, and I'll be using expression hair. I'll be using 2 packets. So I'm going to cut the hair into 2 because I want my box braid to be very long. So I'll cut it into 2, and then I just do the flip over method so that the edges will not be straight, and so the hair cannot easily untie itself. So this is how I do that. That's the method I use. I just flip it over the other until you see the smooth end or the uneven end, and then I just brush it off or comb it off with the comb. So to begin, I'm just going to section off my hair and then just tie it with the rubber bands. I've done 3 already, so now I'm just going to show you how I do this one. So I've sectioned my hair, and then I'm applying my flaxseed gel just to moisturize my hair a little. I don't have edge control, so I'll just use this one. And after that, I'm just going to tie the rubber band on it. Actually, these rubber bands, I think I bought some hair expression maybe last year, and then they sent it to me, so I didn't buy it. It was free. So yeah, I'm just going to tie it and it's done. So I'll just go ahead and do the same process throughout my hair. So in front, I'll just do maybe 3 or like 6 straight, and I like the straight part because for me it's very easy. I don't want any complicated stuff. So now I'm at the back of my hair. I'll just do the same thing, and my hair is actually very long at the back as compared to the front. It's longer behind and kind of short in front. Don't know why. Okay, so I'm just taking my fingers and sectioning my hair all around. After I've made the 6 at the center, I'll just section my hair all around, and then when I'm done, I'll just start sectioning them off and then using the rubber band to secure them. These rubber bands are pretty weak. Some of them just snapped off, but it's okay. I just put it on again, and yeah, we're good to go. So now I'm actually done. I've done this throughout my hair. Throughout my hair, and now yeah, ready to start braiding. So to begin braiding, I'm just going to take some of the expression hair, and then I just put it on my hair, as you can see. Then I'm using my real hair, as the 3rd part in the braid, and I'll just keep braiding. Then along the line, I'm just going to take some of the expression hair and add it to where my hair is, so that when I get to where my hair ends, then I don't have to stress about adding hair. So now you can see I'm just taking some hair from one part of the expression section and then adding to my hair, and then I'll do the same for the other part. I'll take some hair again from the other part of the expression and then add to where my hair is. And for me, I like to also take my hair. After I've done this, I'll take my own hair and then separate it into the 3 parts. That's the 2 other parts of the expression that don't have my hair. I'm just going to take some of my hair and then section it into those parts. I just feel like it helps my hair to blend in well than just leaving it at the center part. Actually, this is my first time trying this, and I think I did pretty good. I'm shocked though. I normally don't like to braid my hair for whatever reason. It's painful and so on, but I find out that this style is very suitable for me because you just tie the rubber band to your desired style or desired taste, so it doesn't pull your hair out. So you see the edges, it doesn't pull my hair, unlike when other people do it or the other method, it just pulls your hair. It's painful. This one feels like nothing. You just sleep peacefully. So now I'll just go ahead and repeat the same process and show you guys how to do it. Just watch carefully. I'll do the same thing, separate my hair, add some expression hair to where my hair is, and then take some of my hair and separate to the other parts, and then we keep braiding. So now I'm done braiding my entire hair and it looks good, not bad at all. For my first time, I think I did good. Okay, so now we're just going to head off to the next part. I'm just going to boil some water and then place the ends of the hair into the water so that it can be smooth and even. Now I'm just using my scissors to trim off the excess hair. I think I should have done this before putting into the water, but anyway, it still works. So I'm just putting the other part of the hair into the water and repeating the same process. So next I'm just going to add jewelry to my hair. I got this, I don't know if I should call them ribbons or what. I think, okay, like I said with the rubber bands, they were sent to me when I bought some crochet hair. I know I said expression, it was crochet. They sent it in the package, so I've had it for a year now. So now I think I've found a use for it. So I'll just add it to my hair. Yeah, I'm just going to use the pink ones. So now I'm done. Yep. So it's 2 days later and the hair looks pretty good. And thank you guys for watching. That's all about this tutorial, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and thank you once more. Bye.